(2014) Lamborghini Huracan LP580-2. In 2014, the Huracan was first officially launched at Geneva Auto Show. The Lamborghini Huracan is a sports car manufactured by Italian automotive manufacturer Lamborghini, replacing the previous V10 offering, the Gallardo. The LP580-4 designation comes from the car having 610 horsepower and four-wheel drive, while LP stands for longitudinal posterior, which refers to the longitudinal mid-rear engine position. (2014) Lamborghini Huracan LP622 Super Trofeo. Sant'Agata Bolognese, August 20th, 2014. Automobili Lamborghini presented its new generation race car developed by its Motorsport department. The Huracan Super Trofeo is a racing version of the Huracan for the Lamborghini Blancpain Super Trofeo series. The Super Trofeo is powered by a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine that delivers 610 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. The Huracan Super Trofeo is 151 kilograms lighter than the regular Huracan and weighs only 1,271 kilograms. 2015 Lamborghini Huracan GT3. Introduced in 2015, the Lamborghini Huracan GT3 was developed in collaboration with Dallara. Based on the road-going Huracan that arrived in 2014, the GT3 comes with all the goodies specific to an endurance race car, including an aggressive body kit, a stripped interior, and a curb weight of only 1,230 kilograms. The Huracan GT3 should find it easy to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3 seconds on its way to a top speed of around 200 miles per hour, 322 kilometers an hour. 2016 Lamborghini Huracan LP580-2. At the 2016 Geneva Motor Show, Lamborghini has revealed the Huracan LP580-2, ditching the all-wheel drive system for a rear-wheel drive setup and a slight decrease in power. With its naturally aspirated V10 5.2-liter engine sending 580 horsepower to the rear axle, the Huracan LP580-2's dry weight is just 1,389 kilograms, thus 33 kilograms lighter than the four-wheel drive version. Lamborghini claims the car will accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in 10.1 seconds, and a top speed of 199 miles per hour, 320 kilometers an hour. (2016) Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4 Aveo. Unveiled at the 2016 Geneva Motor Show, the Aveo is the first limited edition of the Huracan. Only 250 units were produced. (2017) Lamborghini Huracan Performante. In March 2017, Lamborghini unveiled the Huracan Performante at the Geneva Motor Show. It was one of the special editions made by the Italian car manufacturer for its vehicles. The Performante's 5.2-liter V10 has been tuned to have a power output of 640 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. The Performante is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7.9 seconds, 0 to 186 miles per hour in 21.4 seconds, and a top speed of 200 miles per hour, 325 kilometers an hour. (2017) Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo Evo. The Huracan Super Trofeo Evo is the successor to the Huracan Super Trofeo. Motivation is provided by a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces 620 horsepower. It's connected to a 6-speed sequential shift transmission, which sends power to the rear wheels. This enables the car to hit an electronically limited top speed of 173 miles per hour, 280 kilometers an hour. (2018) Lamborghini Huracan GT3 Evo. The Huracan GT3 Evo is developed entirely at Sant'Agata Bolognese by Squadra Corse, Lamborghini's Motorsport division, which in 2018 celebrates the 10th anniversary of the Lamborghini Super Trofeo one-make championship. The Huracan GT3 Evo is the successor to the Huracan GT3. (2019) Lamborghini Huracan Evo GT Celebration. The Huracan EV GT Celebration is a tribute to the Huracan GT3 Evo, which triumphed at the 24 Hours of Daytona and the 12 Hours of Sebring for 2 consecutive seasons. Only 36 units were produced. The number 36 is the sum time of the 2 famous endurance races, also known as the 36 Hours of Florida. (2019) Lamborghini Huracan Evo. The Huracan received a mid-cycle update in 2019. It shares its engines and some of the technology with the Performante variant. The engine offered is the 5.2-liter naturally aspirated Lamborghini V10 engine, but upgraded for more power and a powerful sound. Lamborghini has opted for a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, which sends power to all 4 wheels. Due to this combination of power plant and gearbox, the Huracan Evo gets a 0 to 62 mile/hour time of 2.9 seconds and a top speed of 202 miles per hour, 325 kilometers an hour. (2019) Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato Concept. In June 2019, Lamborghini introduced an off-road concept sports car based on the Huracan Evo called the Huracan Sterrato. The engine is shared with the Huracan Evo and has the same output as the Evo. Lamborghini Huracan Evo RWD. In January 2020, a rear-wheel drive variant of the Evo debuted, replacing the LP582. (2021) Lamborghini Huracan STO. The 3 letters from the Huracan STO come from the Super Trofeo Omologata, which meant a road-legal super sports car developed on the track. Powering the Huracan STO is a variant of the same 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine mounted behind Performante passengers, producing 640 horsepower and 417 pound-feet of torque. The STO streaks from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in 9 seconds, with a top speed of 192 miles per hour, 310 kilometers an hour.